Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make a diaper jeep cake. Supplies needed are the following: 64 diapers for the wheels, 18 diapers for the hood. In total, you will need 82 diapers. You will also need curling ribbons, baby socks, baby blankets, baby teething toy, soft animal toy, diaper box, and a box for the seat. First, let's make the front wheels. To make one wheel, you need 16 diapers. Layer the diapers in a row and roll them. Secure with a rubber band and tie it with a curling ribbon. Remove the rubber band. The curling ribbon holds the diapers in place. Now, take a wider ribbon and layer it over the curling ribbon. You can use a vibrant wider ribbon as well for a contrast in color. Go ahead and make the other wheel. Here are the two front wheels. Second, let's make the back wheels. Here I show you how the wheels look like with different styles of diaper, different color and print, and different types of diaper, regular diapers and swim diapers. Third, to make the body of the Jeep, take a diaper box, cut off the top flaps and one side of the box. Take an ironed baby blanket and cover the sides of the box. Secure with tape. Make sure that it's nice and straight. Next, let's make the front of the Jeep. To make the hood, I used diapers and an empty yogurt carton box. Cover it with a burp cloth, tape it down. To make the yellow headlights, roll yellow towels and tie it with a curling ribbon. To give it some height, I added 4 more diapers above yogurt carton box. To make the bumper, place the diapers like so. Put a hard cover on top so that the top front of the Jeep stays nice and flat. Cover it with a cloth. Here, I am just switching the blankets and adjusting the shapes. Finally, let's make the roof of the Jeep. Cut out flaps of a carton box. Use tape to join them. Here, I used duct tape. Cover it with a cloth like so and hide the tape under the flap. Here are some ideas for you to make the accessories for the Jeep. To make the outside mirrors, take a toilet paper roll, pinch it in the middle, and insert it into a baby's sock. Adjust the shape like so. To make the headlights, take a toilet paper roll and insert it into a baby's sock. To make a car window flag with a sign that says, "Beep beep, baby coming soon," handwrite a note and decorate around the sign with yellow neon lights using small circle yellow felt stickers. To make a license plate, use alphabet stickers and tape it onto a transparent cover. Here, I used an empty iPhone cover box. For the last and final step, have fun and assemble the roof. Decorate the Jeep with the accessories you made. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video valuable. If you've made this far into my video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear from you if you have tried to make one diaper Jeep cake yourself. Take care and keep sparkling.